Hello and good morning. Hope you've had a great weekend, and also happy Father's Day to all those fathers. Hope you were appreciated over the weekend and loved up. Hope you had a great weekend, and now let's get back to the charts. A new week. Let's see what we got here. We're just going to be breaking down the gold on the weekly right now. Yes, as you can see, gold on the weekly, still nothing has changed. There's our high, there's our low. We're just staircasing down at the moment, so we're on a um, let's say bearish market for now as it goes. Looking at it on the daily, nothing has changed. Last week we found the bottom right here, and then today or overnight during Asia session, we were able to pump a little bit to the upside. As you can see, these areas that I have, this is something that I teach. At the end of the day, we broke down from here on Wednesday. As soon as FOMC came in, we just took out all the liquidity, grabbed it, and boom, went all the way down over here. And as you know, this is a big support level as well. Until we break under here, retest, and hold under here, just like we did over there, then that will be our next target where the initial move is taken off from. But for now, let's not go ahead of ourselves and just look at this. As you can see on our time frame, nothing right now to trade from, because if this is a resistant area that we have above at the moment, and obviously we came drop in here, and this is a good area that we found support. Where are we right now? As you look at this, Monday is a liquidity level. This is all a liquidity level, as you can see. So we're almost at the middle of everything. No clear direction at the moment. Some people might argue, say, yes, gold, that's it, broke down. It's now going to go and do a move to the upside. Some people might just say, okay, this is an ABC. Sorry about that. Yeah, some people would just say this is an ABC move. To be honest, we're not going to go ahead of ourselves, and we're just not going to call anything. We don't know what gold wants to do. Yes, it could be an A, a B, a C, and take out all that liquidity over there, but we don't have any clear indication of that right now, because if you're looking at it also on this, you got a bear flag forming over here. So if you are bullish and you see this break of structure and this market comes back in here and holds this zone, I will be going short. No financial advice, please. This is educational purposes only. And if that's one of the cases that I'll be looking for, and the second case will be if I just get my Fibonacci level from where FOMC came all the way down to here. Let me just see where we are in the market on the hour time frame. Let's get rid of some of these things over here. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. All this stuff. Okay. Let's just fib level, top to bottom. Okay. Now, if the fib levels play out, as you can see, there is our 6 to 50. It's right over here. This is a great zone to see if the market wants to reject. There is our structure at the moment, so I will be patiently waiting at the moment. I know this is an hour structure right now that I have. Okay, here is our structure for me. Now, if we have already done the ABC over here, and now we're gonna break down, this is something that I like to see. Break structure, come back in, hold this level for me, because I know this is a big level right now, and then maybe I'll go short from here. That's one. The second one will be get sellers to come in, build more liquidity here and here, and just come back into this level, and then maybe we're gonna drop down from here. And if we look at this level over here, let's look at it on a 4-hour. This level does make sense. As you can see, we have a nice multiple times we've come in, you know, we've touched up this zone. So yes, it makes sense. So today is Monday. Probably will have to be a patient day. We'll have to see what the market wants to do and where we get our play from. For me, I always look at the charts on the base of where are we on the day, and right now this is the middle. So if I go long, that'll be guessing, and if I go short, that'll also be guessing, because the market is in the middle. I needed to show me a clear indication, And for days like this, I'll definitely be going down to the 1 hour time frame and watching the market from the 1 hour time frame to see what it does. And I always trade my zones. I don't do anything more than that. I never take trades from anywhere in the middle. For me, it's always when this market was, when I didn't take this longs and the market went and it was hanging around here for a few days before the FOMC, and then it was just messing around this area, I never go involved because my limit order was over there and my get out was over here. Anyways, wish you all the best of luck, and if you want to reach out, I can help you to set up your charts, whatever chart or whatever you trade. For now, please like and subscribe and follow to see furthermore. Thank you very much. Have a great day.